Fine jewelry is that fashion-forward ribbon that ties an entire outfit together. Like a garden in bloom, pearls on the ocean floor, or the distant galaxies that paint the night sky, fine jewelry adds that extra something to an otherwise blank canvas. Come to think of it, the only problem with fine jewelry is the price. Treasures is looking to change that by offering a new way for you to experience fine jewelry. Think of us as a shortcut to luxury. We make top-shelf jewelry affordable by offering it to be borrowed for a short period of time. Because, haven't you heard? Rent is the new own. Our top brand jewelry options from Cartier, Tiffany, Van Cleef, and a slew of other top designers are enough to push any woman to break into every high-end event, Mission Impossible style, just to flaunt her Treasures gems. Oh, and by the way, Treasures also has an array of fine jewelry options from unique local jewelry designers, just to remind others that being on trend is sometimes far more fashionable than being on brand. So how does it work? Treasures enables you to rent up to 3 jewelry pieces for a week at a fraction of the usual buying price. Much like the Hollywood stars who are decorated in the most divine and expensive jewels for their red carpet events. You can rent a $7,000 Cartier bracelet for just $150. Talk about a bargain. Our online platform is easy for anyone to use. Simply select the jewelry you know will go best with your outfit and choose the date for when you'll need it. Once your order has been processed and confirmed, we'll ship off your jewelry selection directly to your doorstep, and you can keep it for a week. We invite you to milk every ounce of the entire luxury experience. Walk sultry down the staircase while your entourage takes paparazzi pictures for you to post online. Hire yourself some muscle power to catch people if they faint as you walk elegantly past them. And of course, shine bright like a diamond when you drop into your next event covered with, well, diamonds. Aren't they a girl's best friend? Once the lights go off, the cameras are put away, and the party is over. You can place your jewelry back in its box and bid it bon voyage. We provide free shipping both ways with a prepaid label enclosed in your Treasures box for an easy, painless return. Should you find that your rented jewelry was meant for you, we offer the option for you to purchase the jewelry too. Be savvy. Discover the most accessible and affordable way to wear fine jewelry by visiting Treasures today. Treasures. Borrow, wear, return.